Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Raspberry Pi screen, NORSMIC 10.1-inch touchscreen monitor, IPS FHD 1024x600, responsive and smooth touch, dual built-in speakers, HDMI input. Compatible with various devices and OS, easy assembly, driver-free. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary include IPS FHD resolution and 178 degrees full viewing angle. NORSMIC Raspberry Pi monitor features 1024x600 HD resolution, supporting up to 1920x1080, which offers brighter, crisper and clearer images than general 800x480 resolution. IPS panel provides full color display, and 178 degrees full viewing angle allows you to view this amazing touchscreen monitor from all angles. Warm tips: to offer you top-notch picture quality and excellent touch performance, please tear off the original protective film before you use it. Responsive touch and 5-point capacitive touch. Due to its 3 to 5 millisecond response time, touch interface of this 10-inch monitor is fairly responsive, accurate, and smooth, and manual calibration will not be needed. NORSMIC Raspberry Pi touchscreen supports 5-point capacitive touch and multi-touch gestures such as tap, press, zoom in/out, click of the mouse. Furthermore, this Raspberry Pi display works well in various operating systems right out of the box with no additional drivers or setup needed, plug and play. Widely compatible with various devices and OS specially designed for Raspberry Pi. NORSMIC 10-inch HDMI monitor is perfectly suited for all versions of Raspberry Pi including Raspberry Pi 4/3/2/1/3B+/BB/400. You can also use this small HDMI screen on other devices like Octo Pi, Banana Pi, Retro Pi, game consoles, NS/Xbox/PS4, computer, TV boxes and more. Besides, this touchscreen monitor has great compatibility with various OS such as Windows, Mac, Noobs, Debian, Ubuntu, Kodi. Dual built-in speakers and larger size. Coming with dual speakers, this Raspberry Pi 4 screen delivers loud and trust sound. Furthermore, NORSMIC touchscreen monitor features a larger size 10.1-inch, which will be a bonus for guys who want to use this monitor to watch videos or play game emulators. This 10.1-inch touchscreen also works great for other applications such as security DVR screen/car-mounted/industrial control process stats monitor/monitor temps and speeds of computer/retro Pi. Game console. Comprehensive accessories and simple assembly and clean wiring. NORSMIC provides everything you need to get this Raspberry Pi 4 touchscreen working, especially the gift cables for Raspberry Pi installation. You can easily mount your Raspberry Pi directly on the back of this HDMI touchscreen with gift cables completely hidden, providing a clean interface and cable management. Besides, NORSMIC provides considerate package with thick cotton foam to protect this Pi touchscreen from strong vibration. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.